What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's wash day and I'm going to be taking you through every step that I take to get to this. We even use Velcro rollers. So if you'd like to see how I achieved today's hairstyle, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like today's video and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay guys, we're starting off with washing my hair. All of the products that I'm using today is by Amika in the Hydro Rush collection. And then we're going to do a little scalp exfoliation. I'll link the scrubber down below. I'm also using Amika's exfoliating shampoo along with the exfoliating tool on my scalp. I know I'm not the only one that uses this much conditioner. I think I went a little overboard, but I like to make sure my hair is nicely coated with the conditioner. And I use my 𝕸𝕔𝕔𝕔𝕖𝕤𝕪 brush to make sure it's evenly coated. Like, I couldn't be a natural without this brush. Like, it changed my life. I can't do my hair without it. During this step, I also like to make sure my hair is detangled. I know a lot of people don't like to detangle their hair using a brush in the shower, but it works for me. And this 𝕸𝕔𝕔𝕔𝕖𝕤𝕪 brush also doesn't pull out or snag any of my hair while I'm washing. When detangling your hair, please always start from the bottom of your hair shaft and work your way up, because if you start at the top, you're really just going to be yanking out your hair. Trust me, this makes a huge difference if you aren't already doing this. And then after rinsing, we're just gonna put my hair up in my cute custom Drew clip. You guys could customize your own clip on my website, 𝔸𝕔𝕔𝕔𝕤𝕪.com. Okay guys, we're back in the studio and now we're going to go ahead and get into the straightening process. So let's go ahead and take my hair down. I have it in like a microfiber towel, which probably might have dried my hair a little too much. Let's see. I mean, it's probably 75% dry just because of that towel. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like. Yes, I do have like heat damage in like the leave-out area from like sew-ins, but I pretty much wear my hair straight majority of the time, so I'm not too bothered by the heat damage. Like, yeah, I wish it wasn't there, but it is what it is. And today we're introducing JVN Hair. They were kind enough to send me over some products. So we have the Complete Blowout Styling Milk, the Complete Conditioning Mist, and the Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Okay, so we're going to be trying those out on the hair, and we're also going to be trying out Velcro rollers today. Okay, so I got these on Amazon. I'm actually kind of scared. Like, I had them in my cart for a while and I was scared because I seen some people saying that it ripped their hair out, but we're going to try to put them in today, and if it doesn't work out, we're just not going to use them again. So we have these. So of course we're going to be starting with the Color Wow Dream Coat. I don't straighten my hair without it, but I honestly can't tell you. I think it does work. I think if you ever been to Florida, you know that it's like always humid, and I don't really have the problem of my hair reverting on me, so I think it does work. So we're just gonna make sure that's evenly coated on the hair. You guys know I have a hair care brand called 𝕸𝕔𝕔𝕔𝕤𝕪, and for the holidays I created several bundles, but this is the wash day kit. It comes with a hair claw and 2 satin scrunchies, so we're gonna get some use out of this today. So let me split my hair down the middle. We're gonna take one side and put it in a scrunchie. For this side, we're just going to put it up with the claw clip. For this process, like, you need your hair relatively damp, so I had to spray it with some water. And while While I already got it sectioned off, let's see what product we should add. Okay, so this is the conditioning mist, and there's the Blowout styling milk. So we're gonna add some of the conditioning mist. These products smell so good. Honestly, it's like some of my favorite smelling hair products. When it comes to like straightening my hair, I try to not add as much products, but since we're trying out some new things today, like we'll go light-handedly. But if your silk presses doesn't have any body, it's most likely because you put too much products or you didn't wash your hair out properly. So I'm gonna try not to make that mistake today, but this stuff smells so good. And I could feel the conditioning properties. My hair does feel a lot softer. And we're gonna add the Blowout styling milk now. Oh, it smells so good. We're just gonna run the brush through it one more time just to make sure it's evenly distributed in the hair. And now I'm just going to detangle the top half and add the conditioner. Like, my hair feels so soft and silky right now. Like, I'm hoping that doesn't interfere with the straightening process, because I just don't want my hair to look or feel weighed down, but it feels so silky and manageable. Okay, so now that all the products are on, we're going to split the hair back in half again. Top half, I'm going to put in another scrunchie. Of course, we're going to be using my favorite blow dryer, the Dyson. If you're not going for like the silk press look, the blow drying does get it to a pretty good amount of straightness. Okay, so let's keep on moving. I'm gonna low down the heat on here because it's hot. Like, it's heating up my freaking necklace and burning my neck. Like, that's how hot it is. And I don't even have it on the full blast power. Of how fast the blow dryer can be, we're gonna take that down. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. When you're blow drying, try to keep your roots taut. So like when you're blow drying, it makes it straight. Okay, so this side is done, and I don't feel like my hair is really weighed down too much by the styling products, so that's a plus. We're just going to take this off to the side and put a scrunchie on. So we're going to move on to this side, and the process is going to be the same. I'm not going to talk, we're just going to speed through it. Okay, so now my hair is fully blow dried. We're just gonna put it all up. We're gonna use the claw clip just to loosely keep it up. If you watched any of my other straightening videos, you guys know that I have a favorite flat iron, and it's the most crustiest flat iron, but none of my other flat irons, and I have several, gets my hair as straight as this one, and it's the Nourishing flat iron. I've had this flat iron for probably 10 years, almost 10 years. I have to go and see if I can find the receipt, but nothing just does the job like this does. I have a GHD flat iron, like the really expensive one for $250. I like that one, but more so like just to do curls, but it doesn't get my hair straight. Okay, so that's my baby. We're just going to be working piece by piece until the hair is straight. I'm just gonna speed through the rest of my hair. Probably gonna watch Love and Marriage Huntsville while I'm doing my hair. Do you guys watch that show? It's a mess, but I love it so much. Also, while I flat iron my hair, I use a carbon rat tail comb. Carbon combs do not melt against the Flatiron because I like to do the chase method. I've been through a lot of combs that melted until I found out about carbon combs. I do buy them on Amazon. I'm gonna link the one that I have, but the initial one that I first bought was from the beauty supply store, and I haven't bought a regular comb since. Like, it changed my life. And I like to just do one pass. I press out my roots and then just do one pass. My camera cut off while I was finishing off this side, and this is what it's looking like. It's looking very healthy and shiny. I do think the products weighed my hair down just a little bit, because you see how it kind of, well, it's not clumping together right now, but it was clumping together in the front. Like I said, I'm going to add a little bit of dry shampoo to that, but my hair feels super soft. Like, I can't complain about that. So we're going to go ahead and start this side. Okay, the hair is fully pressed. This is what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and put the dry shampoo in. This one is by Amika. That looks so much better. My hair is not as like sticking together as it was before. We're gonna try them. And then I'm gonna pin it with this. Okay, so the rollers are in. I think I'm supposed to let them set for like 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll come back when it's time to take them down. Okay guys, we're back. I know it's been more than like 20 minutes. Let's take this out. I see why people say that it could rip your hair out. It's giving body. Okay, so when taking it out, it definitely sounds scary because it is Velcro, but you just gotta take your time because you don't want it to snag up hair that you already took out into it. Just take your time because it will rip your hair out. It's giving body, definitely. And I like how that looks. Let's go ahead and do the rest. Like, you guys hear that? It sounds horrible. Like, this method right here seems to help by wrapping it around and then pulling it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of the complete hair oil. The hair oil just made it look a little bit more shiny, but I'm loving how these rollers worked for my hair. The only thing right here is like a little dent, but I think that's from how I placed this, so you gotta watch how you put those in. But other than that, it looks so good. It's giving so much body. I love it. It kind of looks like I went to the salon. It just gives it like a professional look when you add the rollers. It looked like I knew what I was doing. So that wraps up today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy hair tutorials like this one, please give today's video a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.